Hello everyone. First of all, I want to thank everyone for letting us participate in this amazing hackathon, OctaHacks 4.0. Uh, our problem statement comes under smart city, which is cities waste management, and we have created a web application for the same with using MongoDB as a backend database and Node.js, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, also Express as a framework. Now this is our application home page. This is our home page, and here is the want to file complaint. It will let us let the user on the register user page, and this is the about page. It contains the details about the developers, and we have their GitHub links, so we can connect directly to them. And this is the authority page. It will let the user on the authority register page, and from here we can go to authority login page. We have created the authority account uh, beforehand, so we will directly log in into the authority. But first let us see about the user. So we have done the same for the user. We have registered the user. So now let us log in into the user. So the password, if I enter the wrong password, then we will be shown an error, the user cannot be found. And now let us log in with the correct one. So this is the home page, and this is the profile page, and this is the email, this is the locality which we selected during registering, and this is the complaint count. This user has 3 complaints registered. So this is the file complaint page, in which we can file a new complaint, and this is a view complaints, where we can view the status of our previous complaints. Also we can delete the complaints if we want. Now we will file a new complaint. Here are the 3 complaints. We will file a 4th complaint. Let us take a image from the internet. This will do. Now let us file a complaint. So the 4th complaint has been filed. This, as you can see, the 4th complaint has been filed with the status pending and all the details. So now let us check here. The complaint count should be now 4. Yes, the complaint count is now 4. So this is the user, that user can see the complaints which filed, and it can see the actions taken or not, and file a complaint. Now let us go to the authority page. The authority can log in now. Now the authority has a registered area, which is now Mumbai currently. So the authority can see all the complaints that are in the Mumbai zone. So these are the complaints that are in the Mumbai zone. Now the Jeet Mistri's complaint is here, and we posted the complaint here as well. So now what if we see the viewed? So the authority has viewed the complaint, and the status is changed to user's complaint has been viewed. Now what if the authority decides to send some vehicle to clean the area actually? So it will the authority will select send cleaning, and the further process will be done, and cleaning process has been initiated. Now if we say that this complaint has been rejected, so the authority has rejected this complaint, and the status is now user's complaint has been rejected. So the authority's task is done here. And now let us see in the user what status we have. So now as we can see, the what authority did has been reflected here, that this cleaning process has been initiated. So the complaint was successful and the authority decided to send the cleaning staff to the area, and this complaint was rejected. And also the user can delete the complaints. For example, if we delete this complaint, then there is no fourth complaint left, and the complaint count is now and the complaint count is now 3. So in this way we can solve the problem of the locality. Like whenever the people see some garbage here and there, they can file a complaint, and the complaint will be sent to the authority, and the authority can do the needful for that. So it can provide a portal between the normal user, that is common people, and the authority who is responsible for cleaning the garbages uh, from the streets. Thank you. This was our application.